So I'm Chris Fouts, shop foreman at Kendall Toyota of Bend. Today we're doing a brake job on a 2004 Tundra. Start by taking the wheels off. Inspecting the rotors, inspecting the calipers, make sure the brake pad wear is even. Then take the calipers off. Set up our Pro Cut on-car brake lathe. Machine the rotor. Make sure that the rotor has a good finish on it, straight and clean. Once we have a good machine surface on the rotor, we sand the rotor to take out any other imperfections and then clean it with glass cleaner and a paper towel. Bolt our caliper back on, compress it so we can fit our brake pads back in, reinstall our brake pads. Alright, so the importance of machining brake rotors on the vehicle is that you match your rotor to your hub surface. Make sure you get a nice flat surface so you're not getting any poor braking performance, any pulsations while you're braking, no noises, anything like that. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any of these symptoms, any brake pulsations, brake noises, any abnormal braking performance, be sure to come see us here at Kendall Auto and we can take care of your brake problems for you.
Kendall, let's start something great.